In my garden there is an old quince tree that still gives fruit every year. But this spring I want to try something different. I will choose one of its branches and graft a sweet pear variety onto it to see if this tree can one day grow both quinces and pears. If you are curious about the result, there is an update later in this video, so watch until the end to see how it turned out. This grafting technique requires the scion and the rootstock to have about the same diameter. Protecting the graft from water, air and insects is very important. First, I wrap the graft with a tape that has no glue. This way, when I remove it later, it won't pull off any bark. Then, I cover the first tape with regular tape to seal everything tightly. It's been about a month since the graft. The spring was cold and rainy, so the scion hasn't grown much yet. But it's alive, and that's what matters. Once the weather warms up, stronger growth should follow.